There are those who have the drive, the vision, and the desire to make the impact. We at ASB bring out the best in business with more than 3000 plus alumni who is currently creating a great impact in the world. Hi, I am Arya Solanki and I am here to tell you that Atharva School of Business has ranked amongst the top B schools. Through our initiative under CSR Club Sparsh, we inspire students to contribute to the marginalized community and help them to make ethical decisions. With more than 30 highly qualified and experienced faculty who are here to train you today so that you can lead tomorrow, we at ASB has what it takes to create the best version of you, the best program, the best experience and the best location. Best for the world.